What's going on, guys? Rakim is fixing his internet connection as we speak. Pre-stream hype with Cappy in chat. This is great, man. It's tournament day, folks. It's tournament day, and I love tournament day. Dude, I love the schedule. I need to figure out what I want to do on Tuesdays. But the new schedule is Monday, I play viewers bullet only. Tuesdays is Tactics Tuesday. It's kind of a floater day. Wednesday's tournament day, and Thursday is tournament recap, and I play you guys 3-minute chess. Yeah. Yeah, it's fun, dude. I love the tournament, Cappy. Jay, what's up, dude? How you doing, my friend? Good to see you, Jay. Curious, Jay, did you get an alert and then click on it and it took you to the vertical? Or did you come to the vertical intentionally? Because you are the all-watching platform moderator. Cool, I got my live alert that we're live. Everything's good, man. I think I'm going to start a game. Oh, I wanted to tell Rakim. Rakim. Yeah, Rakim should be watching. Because he's in chat. No 5-5 Rapids. No, it's way too long. Way too long. Absolutely what? Absolutely, you got a notification, clicked on it, it took you to vertical, or you went to vertical specifically yourself. That's what I'm saying. Absolutely. You flew straight into vertical, but by way of a notification, or by, you know, I went live and you went there specifically. It's sounding like you're saying you went there specifically and it was not the notification. Yeah, Rakim, cool. We got Rakim. Let me show you Rakim. I don't. Did you know that we had a cheater in one of the tournaments? Rakim, are you aware of this? Community clubs. Are you aware, Rakim? We had somebody get banned. Somebody who won the tournament got banned. And in that tournament, I'm gonna see if I can pull it up. It's probably, I think it might be this one. I think it might be this one. It's not. Oh, okay. Well, okay, I can't find it. I think the guy's name was like WDM something. I think it was 1900. And he won the tournament. This on freaking tournament day. What is going on, man? My life. It's funny. Rakim said I'm having trouble with my internet. My internet is going to be fine, guys, but it just blinked. Facebook is gone. No Facebook stream today. That sucks because, well, it's technical stuff, but Facebook is finicky. Facebook is finicky. Twitch and YouTube better stream. Yeah, it's lagging hard. Yeah. It came back. Yeah, his name was W something. But either way, it doesn't matter who, as much it doesn't matter who the cheater was. What matters is you were robbed of a third place finish. Boy, I played, dude, since I started playing Bullet, look at all these Bullet we played the other day, guys. I'm trying to find the guy now so I can show you. But there's a tournament that this is his. WB Volt was the guy who, I don't know that he cheated. I know he got banned for fair play. That usually means, yeah, he's beat me twice. And let me see. I don't know how to find the tournament though. Yeah, I don't know how to find the tournament. It's this right here was the game that he beat me. Will it say in the Cheerleaders Weekly Open, all levels welcome? There's no number on it, man. Yeah. So that's all I wanted you to know, Rakim, and I don't know if you knew that or not, but it's important that you get to know that that tournament you got 4th place a few weeks ago, you got 3rd place. That's what you got. We played that guy on April 22nd. community clubs, chess chillers, club events. What? Yeah. April. Oh, really? It was right here? Oh, yes. This is it. First place, WB Volt got first place. I got second place. Eco Voyager got third place. And you, Rakim, got fourth place in that tournament. But as the tournament director, since Dave Joyce isn't here, I will say WB Volt, we're revoking his Grandmaster title. And his win does not count. Therefore, I got first place, which I don't even really care. But I care about you. So yeah, I got first place. Eco Voyager then got second place, and you, Rakim, got third place. And this little third place thing over here on the right that Eco Voyager got, that medal is for you. That's all I wanted to say. Yeah. Yeah, and it's hard to have a Jay, thank for the stars, man. Click in vertical. Notification. Oh, it was notifications. Okay, good. Because what I try and do, Jay, is I start the horizontal first. So hopefully people will get the notifications for that, and then I start the other one. But still trying to get the timing down on that. We're gonna play a game right now. We got time to play a game? We do. Play online. 15:10 rapid start game. I'm playing chess. Dude, it is so crazy, man. I just got this new internet and it's working great, but even the new internet, still every once in a while it will blink. Your internet might blink too. You just don't know it, because if you're watching Netflix, it doesn't buffer. I'm talking it blinks for a second, right? If your internet just blinks for a second, you don't even notice it. Facebook. Can I not play E5 here? Facebook just says, "Oh, his internet blinked," and it shuts down. It's gone. It's gone. YouTube and Twitch don't do that. They're like, huh? They don't even think about it. They're just like, and it's just so annoying. Okay, he was gonna play E6. This I cannot allow. Okay, this is a threat. I'm gonna come here in case I want to kick him. In case this gives me an option to kick him, right? And then I'm gonna develop the knight. And if he brings a rook, oh, I didn't see that. Wow. Okay. This is horrible. I blundered a pawn, man. Oh, I blundered 2 pawns. There's no way. It burns like fire. It burns like fire. You just bring a rook. Oh my god. But you know what? If I can get this pawn, I'll only be down 1 pawn. And I might be ahead in developmental scenarii. I could maybe come. Feel me? Come, right? Come. Diagonally. We're still playing chess. You can't copy or click the tournament link. Can you post it as a comment again, please? It's because YouTube on vertical streams will not allow you to... They won't allow you to, let me see if I have it here. Okay. Yeah. Wait, I gotta take off the words join tourney here so it doesn't truncate it. Hopefully this gets it. Nope, it won't let you. Crack, are you part of the chess chillers? Are you part of the chess chillers? I'm gonna take this because I'm down a pawn. Go to chess.com. Go to clubs. Did I drop another piece? Go to... Okay, now I can come here. And then I can bring the bishop with tempo and pressure. Dude, I might not be too bad. You go to chess.com, go to clubs. Search for chess chillers, 2 words, exactly how it sounds. Chess space chillers, CHILLERS, chillers. Join a club, it's free. Then you'll see a join button. That's if you haven't already joined the chillers. If you played before, that's a good move, actually. Do I give this pawn up? Man, this guy's tough. But he can't defend this pawn, though. Defending. He could be threatening to get a rook down here, but I can do this, I think. And I don't think he can defend. Oh, he could defend it by pushing. He could defend it by pushing. But then I have ideas of taking double pawns. You know what I'm saying? Dude, I am so not... I'm playing a 15-minute game. Where does this rook go? It doesn't have a lot of squares. I come here. This is probably a really good move. I guess I come to this square and block my bishop. I don't have any other choices. So I'm not going to get the pressure I wanted. I am attacking this pawn, which is really good news. He defends. Great. And then I think we come here to get rid of the best piece on the board. Now my bishop is kind of trapped out. Right. Bring the rook back. Or maybe take first. Maybe take first and play this move? No, because it hangs my rook. I might have to come here. This bishop might have to leave. I could get stuff trapped. I really, really messed this game up, guys. Takes, bishop takes. Rook back. I can't move the bishop because of this. No, but then I'll get this. This loses the pawn. Wow. I am so busted. Okay. I can move the rook and play bishop. I can play bishop f5. Hit the rook. You found it. Yeah. Good. Yeah. One thing about the vertical, it won't let you put links, and the link is too long to do anything. Now, hit the rook, and now we're finally developed. Now I just have to solve this problem. He probably should put it here. Seems like the wrong rook, but the tempo is what's good about it. This could be a problem. His bishop's going to be really strong there. He's thinking, he's using his brain. You see it, but you can't. You shouldn't be able to click on it. I like how you always play King's Indian Defense as black. Dude, it's the move. Never ever have two pawns in front of each other. That's not true, Cappy. Sometimes it's the best move. It's not true. It's not optimal. I think here, maybe? The thing is, he's going to get rook. With tempo, I might have knight c3. He takes here. This pawn hangs. So I think we go this way. Knight takes, king takes, rook, rook. I don't know if this is good, guys. I don't know if it's good. I might be able to challenge the knight from behind. I think I might lose this pawn, but if I do, I might be able to get this pawn. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, and it works. You can click on it because I thought it was unclickable. But either way, Krakoya got it. Dude, I want to look and see how many people are in the tournament. It's just insane. Well, either way. So, I've had, like every few months I would have internet problems. And I just recently got this great new internet that's so fast, way faster, way more solid. It's amazing. But every once in a great while, it'll just blink for a second, and you normally wouldn't see that. But Facebook drops the stream when that happens. It's terrible and depressing. But you know what? Jay, they were installing fiber optic lines near my house. Okay, yeah, and then I play this. Do I take here first? I don't think it matters. Okay, now I guess I could play rook takes, king takes, but then a rook comes in. So this probably wasn't optimal. Do we improve the king? No, because no, we come back here. Brings the rook. I think I take it. And then do I go h4? I mean a4 or a3? I'm going to stay on the light squares. This is probably a good square. I could put the bishop in front of it. Right, right. Just bring the king. Bring the rook, bishop. I can come here, and then I can probably get this pawn with my bishop or my king. I think I do this now, believe it or not. Is that crazy? Nope, doesn't work. Bishop e5, push rook over, rook behind it. Oh, then I can play bishop here. Because then he would play here and hit my rook. We're going after it. Okay. Here, it still works. Now this move. This is my saving move. And he can't, now I just come over and collect. Might have to come on light squares, but I can do it. Do I push here? Or do I think we go here? I blundered. No, I have f6. I have f6. Wow. Wow. Okay. Now I'm coming here, and winning this pawn. Okay. Oh, he kicked me off that way. Well, but it doesn't do anything now because the bishop can't attack. Come for mass centralization and coverage. Here takes. I still have this. Okay, just come back. I wanted to cover the square, but that's okay. Takes. Comes here, he can't pin me. I'm playing for a win now? Am I playing for a win? I just realized we played 4 games, lost all 4. Cappy, win the tournament. You got this. But remember, when someone's rated 1,000 points higher than you, you're going to lose all 4 games. And that's okay. Just get better at chess. Just work on your game. That's what we're doing here. Work on your game. Work on improving, Cappy. I want you... It'd be like me boxing with Mike Tyson and being like, man, he beat me 3 times in a row. It's like... Do I take a free pawn or do I push? He could start attacking it. I think we take the free pawn. Because it is a pawn. It is a pawn. I was playing for a win based on the better pawn structure. Now the pawn structure's even. I'm up a pawn, but I still have to get this one. And if he can come up with something, it could be mucho problemi. That's plural. That means lots of problems. I think he should have done something else. Yeah. Yep. Wow. Takes. Let's just count. Takes. King. King. He has to get out of the way. King. Bing. 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 Wow. Bing. Queen. Really? Okay, so we just do this then? I think I just counted. I feel like I should be faster. Takes. I already counted. Here takes, here, move. And then I queen in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He queens in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I queen... Where's his king? His king's going to be over here. I think I play this. I don't think this loses. This might be the Grandmaster move. What do you guys think? Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Takes. Welcome to the stream, guys. Twitch, where are we at? Over 600 followers. Twitch. If you're watching on Twitch, hit that follow button if you like chess. I stream chess Monday through Thursday. Monday, we play you guys in 1 minute chess. It's my newest thing, and I had so much fun Monday. Tuesday is Tactics Tuesday. It's a floater day, but we still stream. Wednesday, tournament day. Thursday, I play you guys 3 minute chess. This I think was a Grandmaster move, guys. I think I could have queened 1 square ahead, but he still would have queened. So I get the first check. But his king is going to be over near my pawn. He probably would take it. And then he'd be up a pawn. In the queen endgame with plenty of checks. Probably a loss. It probably was a loss. This was a good move. This guy's name is Alexander Zamosa from Chile. South America? Do you guys know continents. Actually, today I played a brilliant move in person. It had something to do with sacrificing a pawn for a rock. Good for you, Cappy. But how you can't play a brilliant move in person? How do you know it's a brilliant if chess.com didn't tell you? Be honest now. How do you... Did you come home and plug the game into chess.com and then it told you? Doesn't make sense. Freaking shocking. My life. My life. Okay. Oh, I love it. Now... Wow, I should have counted this. I can check and send him back. He can't take as I take his bishop. That was a grandmaster move. Now, I come here. Is this the same line? All I did was move a bishop, right? God, this guy's playing tough. King takes. Oh yeah, he can't come in, but he could play bishop back. I think maybe the idea isn't. Maybe the idea is just to come here. Takes. No, because then he has a tempo. Yeah. So I might have to go with that line now. And after he takes my second pawn, he comes back. I don't queen with check. Oh, I could play this move. But then he plays bishop. Takes, pawn takes king here. 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 One. Here. Two. Here. Moves. Here. One. Here. Two. Here. Three. Queen. Okay. I think I can do this. And at bishop, I think I can take. I think. If he's watching, it's horrible. I'm so paranoid, guys. I'm paranoid. Ever since I linked my Twitch to chess.com, I'm paranoid that everyone's watching. Because it says, you're playing this guy's streaming right now. Click here to watch his stream and stream snipe him. Why do they do that? It's because it was blatantly the best move and it was very strong sacrifice. And then I punched it afterwards. Well, good for you, Cappy. Good for you. Old Dog was watching on chess.com, but there was a 2-move delay. Old Dog, really? Cool. This guy's using his brain and his mind. He has an idea. But then I come. He could come after. Takes. I'm not sure. Okay, queening square could be here. Ooh. I might have a move. You should do this now, I think. I blew it. I blew it. It's a rook pawn, though. Oh, no, wait. I didn't blow it. Okay. Check. So I did get there before him. So now the question is, can I get my king back up here and push upon one square? He's going to be checking like crazy, guys. This game could go on for hours. Can I defend the pawn and check at the same time? I can't, so I think we just have to take. And this is probably a draw. I feel like I was losing. I was losing. I was down 2 pawns. Hey, do I get points? Hey, I might get a point, guys. I might get a point for this. He has to begin the procedure, guys. And then I got to stop the checks on the diagonally. Okay, I want to definitely go over this way. I have to not drop my queen. That could be a thing. Check, move my king. That would lose for him. Hopefully he plays it. Queen takes, king takes, and I shove. Dude. A queen ending with 1 pawn, wide open board. I don't know exactly. This was probably a pretty smart move. I think I'm supposed to get over here so I can stop the checks. Okay. There's a problem. Houston, we have a problem. We have a draw problem. I have to be careful not to go here because he'll check me and take my queen. Here's the problem. If I go to this rank and he checks me, then he makes his draw. I can come here now because he doesn't have the check, which is kind of fun. He could probably still just attack the pawn. And then I check. King moves. He's still on it twice. Then I have no more checks. I mean, I can check, but the king can take the pawn. Like, oh, he found it that way. He found it that way. It was a good game. I had to try, guys. Wow. Now, check. I don't have any good. I don't have anything. There's nothing. I'm just going to take the draw. Let me look at it for a second. Because his king's taken away, his queen's like kind of taking away a flight square. This could be like a puzzle, right? Queen check. Oh, he can interpose. I have this check. Force him here. The fact that I can check with my queen. Feels good, but there's nothing here, I don't think. That'd be so hilarious if there was if it was some type of puzzle. I'm taking the draw. Oh, man, that guy played like a freaking beast. We have to look at this game. This is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane, guys. 85% accuracy by my worthy opponent and 87 by me. So I played a little bit better. Wow, I was crushing at one point. We're going to see. No brilliance. I had 2 greats. He had 3 great moves. We both played like 2200s. I played the opening like a grand master. Opening accuracy 100%. What time is it? 3:36. Okay, D4. Guys, I'm a man without a truck, Jay. I'm a man without a truck. Mohikaner, how you doing, Mohikaner? Welcome to the stream, man. Join the tournament. Bishop goes C and destroy your plan. My plan? Is that what it was? I think it was all pretty forced. Oh, look at this. We're going to look at the squiggler, too. Wait. Do we have it? No, let me go back. Here's the squiggler cam, guys. This is exclusive to Charlie Sardo Gaming. Black was slightly better. And then he was better. This is when he was up 2 pawns, right? Whoa. Let me fix this for Can I slide? No, that's it. That's it. Okay. Then over here somewhere I was winning. Then it was a draw. Then I was winning. Then it was a draw. And it's a draw the whole way toward the end. Okay? That's probably when the queens came. Start review. Let's hear Magnus's voice.
Solid choice by your opponent.
Thank you, Magnus. Okay. D4. I go to the opening book first, and we see what we did wrong. Castles. Why do I keep playing D6? The move is castles, guys. And you say, what's the difference? You're going to play castles and D6 anyway. It's about being accurate. As you do anything, you do everything. If you slack a little bit in your move order, because it shouldn't matter in the opening, you might slack somewhere else. It's like if you have a checkmate in 2 or a checkmate in 3. If you're playing a real chess game, over the board game, you analyze and you find the checkmate in 2. You don't say, oh, I have mate in 3, and then just play it. You see if there's a faster mate, right? Because you want to play the best chess you can play. Castles is better because I know for a fact I'm going to castle, and I don't need to play D6 yet. I don't have to play D6 until he plays E4. This I know. Bobby Fischer castles here. It's no big deal, but it is to me. I'm trying to play good. Dude, H3 is not even on the list, but I've been seeing this game lately. H3. People play E4, that's your most common move. They play G3, doing that weird stuff. Bishop G5, which is a move. Bishop F4, because they're afraid not to play London, so they played a Queen's Gambit style pawn structure against King's Indian, yet they still want to play Bishop F4. And then E3 is not even a move, but H3 is not a move. Let's see if I did it right. Castles. And I can still play E5. E5. Takes. Oh. Takes. And if takes... It's funny, I don't even take here. The second best move. The best move is this move. Is that crazy? You know why? Because of this square. Wow. F4 defending. Our great world champion. B6 coming and you're playing chess. But it's important to know I can take the pawn back. Right? Knight E4. Bishop takes. Bishop G5. Attack king. Rook D4 split ting. Knight F6 check. Wow. King G7. He can't check again. That doesn't work. Knight D5. C6. Ask king. Knight C3. Bishop F5. Okay, Bishop E6. Attack king. Bishop E2. Knight A6. Yeah. And we're playing chess and I'm better. Dude, I don't even know these positions well enough to know... Hey, Gerald Ross. I don't even know these positions well enough. What? Well enough? Tim, what's up? Not trying to put you off chess topic, but I've already got a few mokes set up and more to come. Hoping I can make it. Cool. Cool, Tim. Hollow Nest said, last time I attempted to play chess, I got checkmated so fast, I genuinely hopped off the website. Man, you just need to keep working. Keep working. I know, Narcana. I know the Facebook Live dropped and it's impossible to put it back up. It's just Facebook is very, very difficult to stream on. You have one problem, the whole stream drops. There's nothing I can do about it. It drives me nuts, but there's nothing I can do about it. So I see, like I was just starting to feel tension in my chest because it freaking bothers me. But we can only control what we control, and I can't control it. So here we are. We got a killer group on Twitch and YouTube, much bigger than we would have had on Facebook, of course. But the thing is, Facebook is where we started, and I like to do the tournament. I still stream on Facebook because I have so many supporters there. I love it. I want to include them, but Facebook's making it harder, man. They don't make it easy to stream on Facebook. Okay, so, oh yeah, I was saying, they were installing fiber cables near my house. But I'm like, they're not going to put them in front of my house. And my landlord said, no, I saw them do it. They did. Yeah, they put them right there. So now I got to find out who they are. And I think if I get fiber, even though I love my new internet, I might be able to get fiber that will then never blink. What? Yeah. If I do that, guys, we might get famous. You guys aren't going to want to hang out with me anymore because you're going to be like, you think I don't answer chat now? Wait till I'm rich and famous, guys. I just like, I'll be like, oh, hey, what's up? Yeah. If I want to chat, I'll be like, all my friends, people like you guys, the early people, you'll just have my phone number. I'll just like read text messages. You know what I'm saying? Chat will be going crazy. I'll be like Asmongold. Yeah, that'd be great. Please say this to Hollownest. That is the best username I've ever heard in a long time, especially that Hollow reference. That's gold. Did you hear that, Hollownest? Hollownest of blood. Hollownest tough blood. Yeah, Cappy loved your name, Hollownest. I don't know what it means. How long till the tournament? Oh yeah, we got time. Okay, so C5 is the second most popular move. And let's see who played it. Someone famous did. Magnus Carlsen played it against Faruja. Well, that looks... Sindarov played it. Against some guy. So, yeah. Yeah, C5's a move. It's just not the move. Takes, shoves. Okay. Knight E8. 80% of master games go Knight E8, which is what I played. Stockfish wants Knight D7. Here's what. But then they probably play this. 100% Bishop F4. Okay. Another option is to play this move. It's very thematic. Eric Rosen did this to me in our over the board game, in our real life game. You play this move, and I guess I can just move the knight. But by taking, he sacks a pawn, but he gives me this long-term weaknesses. And there's a square here he can try and control. So I play Knight E8. Still not bad. Black is better. Bishop. Kicking. And I dropped a pawn. I dropped this pawn, guys, with an attack on my rook. Total blunder. It was the beginning of the stream. Can you tell me what those numbers divided by 2? No way, dude. Aren't you in school? Cappy, you can't ask us to do math for you. Are you in school, Cappy? So I blundered, and white's better. I'm better here after King F8. Just defend it. Still looking at this. Knight D5. Knight C6. Fine. Castles mucho lungo, più lungo. Bishop E6, and we're still on this pawn. And our rooks are connected. So now he's probably needs, yeah, he has to defend the pawn now. Knight D4. Really? Well, it's because the other D4. Wait. No, there's D4. Or Rook C8. I like Rook C8 better. I didn't have to drop the pawn, guys, but I sacked the pawn by accident. Black is better. Rook D7. takes. So I dropped 2 pawns. Knight c6. Bishop. Best. Oh, I had rook d2. I didn't see this. Threatening. Wow. I had rook d2, didn't see it. This is... Now I'm probably in trouble. Oh, this is almost as good. This is almost as good. Bishop e... I played king up. It doesn't like it. Oh, I'm defending the pawn. I didn't want to let his bishop in here, but I guess bishop e6 is better because this pawn is worth more than this pawn. The c pawn controls the center. The h pawn does nothing. Right? I know you're joking, brother. It's fine. It's fine. And I was just joking too. Okay. Guys, get in the tournament. Go to Chess Chillers on chess.com. Go to clubs. Go to Chess Chillers. Join the club. You'll see the tournament. B6. I should have played B6 while I could. Now knight d5 is best. I didn't like it. H5. Rook d8 is the third best move. White is winning. It still wants knight d5. I can't believe we take this knight. But I guess... Because then it just admits that he gets to keep something on d5, right? I can't develop my bishop. It's horrible. Bishop f5 is the second best move. Third best move. Rook comes. And bishop e4, guys. It's the second best move. It wants me to come here. Oh! Rook d2 and then bishop e4. Because then when he takes, I'm on the rook. Wow. See, that's grandmaster move. You want to learn something here, man? You want to learn something, Cappy? In this position, this is the best move. And he kind of needs to take. And after takes, this is the position. But if I play bishop first, he doesn't want to abandon the file. If he comes here, I'll still come back, but now he's not on the file. It makes his position worse. So before I play the move I want to play, he attacks my bishop, then I come here. And he still has to take. It's because it's the best move, and now I'm on the rook. Dude, I got to start thinking like this. I like the house is the first on. Here's a tip. Whenever you're drinking something that isn't carbonated from a can, always shake it. It tastes a lot better. Yeah, you kind of aerate it, huh? They do that with like wine and stuff. They have like aerators with wine. You could pour your wine through this thing and it goes and it gets air into it. Yeah, it's not exactly carbonation, but it gets a little air into it. This was the best move. I mean, it creates a passed pawn, but it creates a weak pawn. And then a6 is the second best move. Now rook d8 or bishop e5 is the second best move. I keep making second best moves. But here's what I didn't want. Oh, now bishop e5, and it transposes. And then when he pushes, bishop c7. Right? That's the way I saw to stop his pawn. Okay. F5. I did that to protect the pawn. It's the third best move. They're all draws. They're all draws here. Here f6 for sure. Yep. Okay. Takes. King f7. Yeah. Still draws. F4. So that's why that was a bad move. That's a bad move because it lets his pawn come forward. A square. And that would have made a difference in the queening later. Right? Yeah. So, yeah, and gf5 is the best move. White is clearly better if I play g5. Probably because bishop c5. I don't know exactly what's going to happen here. But I know that this makes these targets. Hey, winning a pawn's winning a pawn. This is all equal. And is it... Oh, yeah, here takes, here. And I'm winning after bishop e5. I'm winning after bishop e5. Okay, but I misplayed it. We're going to see what I did wrong, guys. You guys saw the end game. King g3. It's -5. h4 check is the second best move. I thought about this, guys. Maybe it's better for me to bring my king over here. But then I counted. And then I grew a brain. King c6 or bishop d4 is... King c6 is better. Here's what I don't want. His bishop to sneak through. Oh, it can't attack this pawn. And this one's protected, so never mind. I'm still winning. Bishop e3 still winning. Oh my god. Where's the move? Did you guys see the blunder? I thought about it here too. Maybe I don't go get this pawn. Maybe we come this way. No, but king d6. He has king f4. King d5. Yeah, white's winning. King d6. King f4. King e6. Triangulating. Now he either has to give the pawn, king f3, and then we come up. It was an easy win. A master sees this every time, guys. A master sees this every time. You just outmaneuver him. And I have 2 pawns too, so I have an extra move here. Maybe king e2, king e4. Now this is over. Wow. King d2. Look at king f3. That's so brutal. Everything wins. Threatening. Takes. What? Did you guys just see that? It says black wins. It's not letting me analyze anymore. What time is it? I gotta get back to the tournament, guys. Do you guys see that? It's not letting me analyze anymore. Oh, there's a table base. Do you guys even know what I know a lot of you guys probably do know what table bases are. Do you guys know what a table base is? I gotta join. I'm in. Okay. Hey, Bozo Chess is back, guys. 2300. We got Max Ibia at rated 2017. Nurkana at 1998. Myself at 1710. Eco Voyager 1594. Rakim 1539. Filevo 1536. Caleb Balan 508. Guys, be like Caleb Balan. Get in the tournament. Play better players. Bozo Chess, I love you, brother. Welcome back. All levels welcome. You're like, oh, I'm not going to play. There's a 2300. How are you going to get better at chess if you don't play? How are you going to be 2500 if you don't play a 2300? You want to play the best players you can. If you're rated, I wish, I mean, not really, but I wish when I was rated 800, I could play in this tournament and have a chance to play a 2300, a 2000, a 1900, a 1700, a 1500. I wish if I could join tournaments. Z Marshall, Zachary, man, what's up, dude? You gaming tonight? Zachary, are you getting Mogs ready? Zachary, are you getting Mogs ready? Play Italian. The tournament starts in 3 minutes, guys. Do we need... Yeah, we're going to make... I'm going to take you guys with me, guys. You're not going to believe it. Guys, come with me to the coffee cam. All right, guys, get your boards. 1 minute. Now, be sure your chess.com is refreshed. Be sure you're at the tournament in the app if you're on your phone. You do not be on the stream and then you'll get a buy. One way to be sure chess.com knows you're there and not inactive, like Making Salmon said, yo, I'm going to say yo in chat. See a little chat for the tournament? Click on chat, say something. Let chess.com know you're there. Because if you're gone for a minute or two, it'll say, oh, this guy's inactive. He just left his phone on his table and took a nap. And we want to kick him off chess.com because there's too many people. There you go. You guys are doing it. Everyone's talking in chat. I love it. I love it. The community is growing. Oh, man. Gerald Ross with the sub, man. Guys, be like Gerald Ross. Do this, guys. I love the noise. I love the noise. I replayed it because I like to hear it. Guys, be like Gerald and sub on YouTube, follow on Twitch. Okay, I'm playing Villa Michael, probably Michael Villa. Play well, my friend Michael. The tournament is started. Get your board, Villa Michael. Oh my God, me and Eco. No way, Cappy. I told you should have prepared. Cappy, a great way to study chess is to prepare. I really want to learn the Italian opening with tips and strategies, so I want to see how you play with that opening. Okay, I'm going to play it if I can. I promise you I will if I can, but he played e6. He played the no parlez-vous français defense. Nurkana says, I was playing a local tournament in my city, and I was placed top 11. It was under 2100 tournament, scored 507. That's a very good score, dude. Zachary said I made it this week, but not feeling well, so I might drop back. Zachary, that's okay, but I'm sorry. First off, Zachary, I'm sorry you're not feeling well. But it's very important that you know we are killing Moogs a week from today. We might have 30 Moogs. Bring your Moogs. You know how fast we kill Moog? It takes longer to summon than it does to kill him, practically, right? I'm going to have 9 or 10 Moogs. Drew's claiming he may have 10 Moogs. You know, Ripper, I think, has 4 ready and a couple more. Now, I think Stockfish tells me to go, go, go. But then the best move is to transpose. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this first. To stop something. Yeah. We're gaming now. We're playing. So, Zachary. Dude, all you got to do is NG+. Do Var's quest. It's probably faster than doing the invasions. You might get invasions fast. It's faster to just run to Magnus. So you got to kill. You got to get to Altus, right? If you want to slap those out, you know, if it's an NG, Margit, Godfrey, and Renala. I think you probably could slap those out in any NG plus yourself, right? Just to get them done. You could summon if you wanted to, and then kill Magnus. And then what else you have to do? Then you go to Moog. Is that all you have to do? Yeah, you just got to get to Altus, but get at least 1 Moog. But if you can put a couple together, man, it's a maneuver. Now I come here. Kill Magnus the Beast Claw. I know, isn't that funny? There is a character in Elden Ring called Magnus the Beast Claw. Don't kill Magnus, the best chess player in the world. Magnus, his name is Magnus the Beast Claw. Do you think solving puzzles improves your chess skills? Absolutely, Gork. What is your rating, Gork? What is your rating? Cappy, you need to stop typing and play your game, brother. I know you're passionate about chess. And you're passionate about interacting socially. And I love that about you. But you're playing Eco Voyager. He's a strong player. You need to be looking at the board when it's his turn, thinking, what's he going to do? And if he does it, what do I do? That's how you spend time. That's how you get involved in the game. That's how your rating goes up. Yeah, it's pretty much, Gork, it's pretty much known. Okay, yeah, I want to play this anyway. It's pretty much known that, now, do I push? No. I continue my developmental scenario. Continue the developmental scenario, folks. That's a chess word. I made it up myself. Yeah, I know. It's the plural of scenario. Yeah. That we are so groundbreaking here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. We invent our own words. God, I hate water. Your rating is not good. It changes every time, 900 to 1100. Gork, your rating is good. You're probably higher rated than most people on chess.com, or darn close to it. It's just, you always want it to be better. I literally, if I was talking to someone a lot higher rated than me, I wouldn't even say it's not good. Because if I'm talking to a 2300, he doesn't think his rating is good. Because he wants to be 2,500. Ooh. Castles. You know what I'm saying? So, don't be too hard on yourself if you think your rating isn't good. Okay. He brings the bishop back. Excuse me. Now we take it. I don't like such positions as much, though. But if I play rook, he can play knight and attack my square. It's the Stockfish move. This seems like such a not smart move. Push, knight, He's on it twice. I can't defend with that. I can play queen. But I got to kick him, and I'm chasing him to f5. So I think I'm going to play this move. A nice, relaxing... No way, man. Let's develop. Let's develop. What do you guys think? Developmental scenario? Oh, I could push, though, knight g4 and then push. Then he gets... No, he wants to play a French. This guy wants to play a French. He wants to play a French. And if I push, even though this knight's in the way, he'll play knight e7 and c5. And then he'll play the knight back, and he'll start attacking my center. That's what he wants, guys. I mean, I don't know if a 653 understands that. Am I the only one who doesn't care about rating? Greek, I know that you are a very passionate chess player, and you love to play chess. I think I'm probably dehydrated. It's the most worthless currency on the internet. Sometimes I cannot remember the variants. I mean, that's why I'm making lots of mistakes. Hey, it's Ben Arnold. I made it. Noob Studios. Noob Studios. Dude, I like it, man. Is that your YouTube? Do we have any content? Okay, brings the rook. I'm not going to take opening his rook. If he takes, it doesn't open anything. So now I think I can play this move. But do I want to? Do I not want to just go here and do all that stuff? I bring the rook. He could maybe come to this square. I could bring the queen. I don't want to put the queen where the rook is, though. So I guess we come here. Then, if he does this, I can come to this square. Just do it. Just don't lose on time. Charlie, I've been watching, spectating you just join the stream for educational purposes. Why did you make the pawn move? The pawn h3, sorry. Making salmon, I did because h3, I wanted to keep the knight out, and I kind of wanted to bring the rook. Okay, that's a move. I don't think we let him take a bunch of space, so I'm just going to answer it like this. Because a typical setup in these positions is to play the rook over. And on rook over, he had knight g4 attacking f2. So this is like, there's nothing, what's the word, like, there's no big emergency happening right now. You know what I mean? And because of this, I figured it's okay to limit the knight. That's all. I don't know if it's the best move. I bet it was on a list. Oh, that makes sense. I never look at blocking future squares for their pieces. Yeah, but don't do it all the time. Tim says, I tried joining, but turns out I need to have a minimum amount of games played, so I'm doing that. Yeah, they got to be, yeah. Play next week. Dave Joyce, how you doing? E4, D4, knight B3, knight C5 is the later idea. Yeah. Well, yeah. I feel like, yeah, I looked at this move. Now, and then I can come here, but it doesn't do that much. This is a really good move. My opponent is playing very, very strong chess. I want everyone to know that right now. This guy's not 653, guys. Like, if he's 653, I should be up a pawn and winning a piece by now. I would think. and all his pieces should be on the back rank, and he shouldn't be castled. That's what I guess. So he's probably underrated. It's my guess. I don't know, though. I don't know. A lot of you guys are underrated. I'm underrated. Cappy, don't talk about your game while you're playing it live. Hey, Greek, thank you. Dude, I saw this. I kind of want this, though. I kind of want this. This helps develop. I guess I sack a pawn. But I got that bishop, and my bishop is going to be very strong. And we do have pushes as well. I could play rook, bing, queen's already, right. Oh, wow, he takes. Okay, then I'm just going to come here. Maintaining the amigos squares. This bishop now has, it can come here with latent energy. It can come here with instant kind of energy. It can come here asking for the hook, but then it has to like come back here or something, which is actually probably not a bad square. And this 2K is getting cooked by a 1500. Who's the 1500 though? Who are they? The 2K. I think I saw the 2K guy. Well, yeah. Let me look. The 2K would be Max, and the 1500. Is it Ego Voyager? No. Cappy's playing Ego Voyager. This is probably, yeah, dude, this guy's not 600, bro. This guy's not 600 chess.com rating points, I'll have you know. I think we do it here? I could attack stuff instantly. This blocks a file, but it doesn't block this file where this rook may want to go, but this rook might need to come here. But then, I can push. Takes, something takes, push doesn't do anything. It just moves forward in a forward motion. Got to connect the rooks. He is low on time, though. Hey, Charlie, when's the next time you play viewers? Tomorrow. I was wondering if I could get some insights on play from a game with you. Tomorrow only. And I'll tell you, only if you have a Twitch Prime sub available, we do monthly workshops. And they're private streams. To Facebook supporters, he just develops, guys. 600, dude. Do we know this guy? Do we know this guy? Just go. I guarantee it's just go. Bring the rooks first. I think it's this rook. Well, it could be this rook. Or do we just go? No, this drops a pawn. So maybe this rook here preparing? I don't know what to freaking do. I don't know what to do, guys. This game is odd. It's me, Mario. It is I, Enzo, the baker. You guys know that? You got to update your Prime account again, but I think I have one. I don't think I ever use it. Yeah, you might not even have to update it. You can look. If you ever connected it, it's connected, I'm sure. Hit the sub button. Don't click on the thing to pay money if you don't want to. Go to the bottom. Scroll to the bottom, and you'll see Sub with Prime. We did a workshop like 2 weeks ago. So I have a gig next weekend. So the next workshop won't be this weekend or the weekend after, but it'll be the weekend after that. Brings the night back. Looking at my pawn. It's one of those, I'm at the spot now where I think I'm just going to start making moves. Because I'm not playing a 653 player. I don't believe. I just don't believe. Very often when you feel like you're getting crushed, then you go back and look at the game, you'll see your opponent made a bunch of bad moves. You're like, oh, I didn't see it, right? That happens. But he's just underrated. He's just underrated, okay? Now I think... Knight takes? All that... See, I'm telling you, I think my opponent finally made a lower rated move. Villa Michael, you're a beast. You're freaking me out how good you play. 650s, I just don't feel like they played like this, man. But he did. And now... I get a pawn, right? Isn't that crazy, guys? Just as I'm saying it. Felipe says, I decided to draw. I did not know how to use my advantage. It looked like a difficult endgame where 2,000 players often find something. That sounds like a story, bro. What are you saying? Bozo said the 1500 was never losing in that game. In fact, they were better for most of it. So that's strange, making a draw by agreement. Yeah. Filippo's played really good in the last tournament. Filippo played really good in the last tournament. I'm playing a 650 right now who I think is just severely underrated. And as I was explaining that, like, I really don't think he's being shady. I think he's just underrated. And then he... dropped a pawn, and then he sacked an exchange, and now this must be the move. This has to be the move. Bring a rook could be a move. This maintains the initiative and opens up this bishop, but it also can get shut down, and it blocks. So I feel like I shouldn't... I almost want to play queen. Oh, yeah, no, I think I can play queen. Because this comes with threats. He could just play rook over, though, and start hitting my pawn. So should I then... Well, where does the knight go? It has to go back to the pregame lobby? Send it. Because the knight's going back to the pregame lobby, it must be the correct move. Yeah, if anybody thinks that anything is shady ever going on, like I said, I think this opponent is severely underrated, but I would never accuse him of cheating. And no one, I don't see anyone doing that either. But if you think anyone is ever cheating on chess.com or Lee Chess, you should report them. You should just report them, okay? But that's the move. You just came back to chess and got to play against you. Oh man, Oopie, is this you, Oopie? No, not being shady, nervous. Yeah, but you played really strong, dude, the whole game, and then you just blundered. Yeah, I agree. The 650 has played better than his rating. Good for him. Exactly right. Dave Joyce says he agrees that you play really good for your rating, and he said good for you. That's exactly what I say too. Like, it's amazing. You know what? Maybe I wasn't doing enough to test you. You know what I'm saying? If I come here next, there are ideas of massive centralization. Yeah, that's a move. Takes and then knight takes. Oh, my queen, I felt like that threat wasn't there before. This just threatens a pawn with check. I'm low on time. I guess we take this way. No, that loses my queen. Wow. I guess we defend the pawn this way? I'm just going to defend the pawn from the diagonally, guys. Defend the pawn from the diagonally. Now he can't get me. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't even actually see this move, and I'm glad I played my move first. I'm glad I played my move first. How often do we get to sack a queen? That was an easy queen sack, though, guys. Yeah. It made a threat. I get the 2,300. I'm shutting chat off. See? Chat off. If you guys tell me a move that I didn't see and I like it, now I can't play it because it's cheating. It's part of the cost of being a streamer. So I do not want to then see any moves. Okay. Okay. There's no way! Derpy, subscribe. Derpy, how you doing, man? I know who Derpy is, guys. Derpy is Derpy from Twitch. Derpy is Derpy from Twitch, guys. I literally think this is the best move. Do you know that? I think it might be the best move. Bush, the knight comes, hitting F2. Just looking at it. I think he might have had something better here, guys. I'll learn about it tomorrow. This might be the best move, and I might have to keep the bishop up. I guarantee Stockfish is playing this move. As much as I don't want to. Yep. Yep. Okay. Now if I push, this is protected. The knight comes. Do I care about this knight? I could come to this square with massive checkmating threats. Just kidding. There's no checkmating threats. Is he going to play F5? I okay with f5? I actually think I am. Oh, he could play f5 and then maybe get on the square more. Takes maybe knight. Maybe this knight and this knight. 2,300. This guy's playing like his rating, okay? Black is better, I think. Okay. We can't develop. This knight is defending a pawn that no longer needs so much attention. I could come near here, queen takes, and I lose this, so that doesn't work. So I have to play like queen. Queen c2 or queen e2 is probably better. I don't know, man. This guy's good, guy. 2,300 Bozo chess. Oh, and Derpy. Yeah, Derpy, dude. Thanks for the sub on YouTube, man. Greek, thank you for the 100 bits. Love you guys. Love you guys. It's tournament day, and this is why I play chess, to play stronger chess players. It's just, he just makes a move, guys. If I do this, he does this for sure. If I come here, it's going to look the same. But we have to start getting pieces out. This is the way to do it with tempo. Plays the bishop back into this. Oh, it doesn't work though. Bishop takes, push. He can then come back here. Should I play this move now and try and provoke f6? I think I should. But then where does my bishop go? To e3 and let him take it? Maybe. Maybe. I mean, he's 2,300. He doesn't really want to play f6. But he's also 2,300, and he will play it. if it's not a bad move. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, I could then maybe get some ideas of bishop and knight again and start attacking the weak square. I could also bring the bishop and the rook. I'm going to do this in prime provoke and then just bishop... He's going to try and trade my knight, but I think that's okay. I'm going to do it. Plays f6. I already looked at it. Just not now. Okay, if I come back, it gets trapped. If I come to this square, he's just going to play b5. If I come to d3, this will fork. When I take, he can take with a pawn or something, and he'll be on this. Massive light square weaknesses. If I take the knight, bishop takes, and he has a strong knight, and his bishops are looking at my king. Takes and the knight. Takes in the knight and maybe It's like, it's counterintuitive to take with this knight. I kind of want to bring this one toward the center. But I'm thinking about maybe playing f3. He could come back here, but pawn loose. f3 is a threat, guys. He took so I wouldn't have the tempo on the Now if I play knight back now, knight takes, king takes, everything's fine. If I play the knight, he could play c5. They could play f3, takes. No, that's dumb. Try not to be dumb, guys. I'm trying to play a good game against this guy, but man, like, it's, what'd the guy say? What'd the guy say? Simon says, guys. You know what Simon said? Play the move that develops a piece. If he plays here, I might need to play this move. This could be my move now, actually. I could play this move. There's no knight coming in. And then bishop c3. He's blitzing it out, guys. This guy he just solved every problem we just spoke of. He would create a weakness, but he's giving up the good bishop. Can I play knight back? Or I can't play this knight. Knight back? That seems so not Grandmaster, guys. I don't have this move yet. This is bad. Why? Okay. Oh! Okay, wait. Can we trap it? Can we... I can't take it. So in this position, this is best. Okay, maybe not. But now it's trapped. Now it's trapped. So now I can come back. And I'm down what? We got rid of the knight, guys. We got rid of the knight. Double attack king. Do we do it this way? It all loses. I'm playing on fumes. Forgive me, my friend. It all loses, guys. He attacks that pawn. I just moved, guys. I just moved. Okay. I guess then knight back He plays bishop take. Oh, wow. That's a pretty good one. I resign. That's probably... Wait, no, maybe it was the longest game of the tournament. You guys... How come... Oh, yeah, you guys are using your time. Good. Bozo Chess, good game, my friend. Let me come back to chat. What a good game, dude. Welcome to the stream. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. Play guitar, play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark. By the way, Marshall, did you say you're going to get some mokes? Yeah, good game, dude. Good game. I really got outplayed in the opening there, and I feel like I didn't do a whole bunch of things wrong. You know what I'm saying? I'm going back up to see if... Oh, yeah, no. He didn't talk. He didn't talk after that. Dave Joy says, yeah, E5 works, but now it's pretty hard to see either getting your knight to G5, okay, right? Or E5. Yeah. I think I played like a few inaccuracies that game. Grab my water, guys. 1 second. Wow. What I mean by inaccuracies is probably in the opening, I played like the second or the third best move like 3 or 4 times in a row, and then I just was I was in a not good position against a strong player. And it's so hard. It's so hard. You could feel the power when you play at 2300, man. When the tournament starts, I'm paid with the highest rated guy. Imagine. Rakim. How you doing, Rakim, so far in the tournament, dude? I'm 1-1. Eco Voyager's 1-0. He played Cappy first round. Belevo gave a mercy draw to Bozo Chess. And Rakim Toxic lost his first round. We're gonna check Rakim's game, guys. What? Rakim won? Dude, Rakim, that guy plays good, huh? Okay, you're up a piece. That guy played really good against me for a 650, like really good, and then all of a sudden he started playing like a 650. Yeah. He played the opening very well. I bet he gave you a fight, Rakim. Rakim's a good player, guys. Rakim is 1500 going on 1700. Is the way I like to describe Rakim. Last game of the round, folks. Eco Voyager versus Belevo. 2 strong, like bull players. Eco Voyager looks like he has some space and some weak squares on the king side, but is there really an attack there? Queen side is relatively locked up, could open up. No good breaks in the center until possibly something could happen here with the sacrificial Lampster. Something could happen here, but you don't. He could just let it sit, right? Because takes... No, he can't, because takes, queen takes. The knight looks really good, and Eco Voyager is up a full knight. And time is equal. Yeah, that's probably not a bad idea, man. Bring the queen back. There are ideas. Takes, queen takes. No, because the rook is here, but... oh, there's an idea of bringing the knight. But what does it do? You just check him. He could just come up. Then maybe you get this move. Because when he pushes, you can play knight check first. And then come back. It's almost like now, okay, now this rook is out of play, but it's kind of, I don't see the way to break on the queen side, right, guys? And although there is a discovered, it doesn't do anything. I was saying if this was here because the queen could just take it, it protects. If all these pawns were back on their original squares and these rooks were back on their original squares, Eagle Voyager would just be up a knight, right? And then he could just like bring his pieces over here and start shoving, and he'd be up a piece. He really wants to get him, guys. He really wants to get him. The question is, will he get him? I see a very, very naughty theme here. When you push this pawn, this rook is trapped. It can't move. You'd have to like sack a pawn to get the rook out. You know what I'm saying? So this might have been a blunder. I don't know. Plus, it comes with tempo, so he's probably going to see it. So maybe if he pushes, maybe knight takes, pawn takes, queen takes. That might be his plan. Maybe this is a blunder. Sacking, and then what are pawns like? He's got 3 to 2. If all the pieces disappear right now, this passed pawn, the end game is, yeah, he plays it, and I think he might have to take because a rook can't move. Like, where's the queen go? Just come back, and then your rook doesn't play chess anymore. It's gone. Say goodbye. He could maybe come up and try and threaten it later, or just knight takes, pawn takes, queen takes, rook takes, queen check, king back. He can't really bring the queen into the infiltration square because of queen check and lose the rook. So knight takes, rook over. Knight goes back. Oh, this rook is trapped, man. This rook doesn't play chess. Wow. Oh, he wins the piece. He wins the piece because the rook is unprotected. I think he had to play knight takes. And I wonder if it was good. I can't pull up a analysis board right now. No time. I would take the rook endgame with knight g4. Yeah. Apophaenia chess. Apophaenia chess. I agree. I think that was the move. I think he had to. I think he was kind of forced into it, right? Now, he's going to be down another pawn. This queen doesn't do much. Takes, pawn takes. Pawns capture forward. There's no moves, so, you know. Yeah, Eco Voyager made a mistake. And it's so funny because you want to open it, but you want to defend the pawn too. Queen takes, king takes. Check doesn't work because queen takes. And there would be no more as a check here. He's down a rook. And some pawns, 3-6, 3-6, okay. Excuse me, pawns are even. Yeah, apophenia is the capacity to interrelated, seemingly disconnected things. It's my name because I like to relate chess with philosophy. Dude, I love that. We understand that which we make dialogue about. Yeah. Apophenia. That's what I was trying to say. You heard me try to pronounce it. Okay, did he just take a pawn? He takes a pawn. The massively centralized queen doesn't give the black queen a whole bunch of maneuvers. Bringing the rook. Check. Mate here. And then there are no more checks. right? But he could come. Oh, he's thinking pawns aren't going to save you, brother. It's too much. Just bring a rook. Safety the king, and the game is close to over. He has check, king up, check, king up. Check, king takes, or king up, and then the rook, and he's getting mated for sure. He had queen check, guys. He had queen check. In this position, I think queen check, this is forced, and then you play this move. This is forced, then you play the queen check, and he has to either take or come here, and then the rook comes. And once the rook comes, it's over. He has to come back somewhere. The queen can come with a diagonal check. The king is covering these 3 squares. The rook could be coming in. I don't know. I bet that leads to mate. If you were Stockfish. Can I play you next? Akram, I'm not playing viewers today. This is our tournament. We do a weekly tournament every Wednesday, and we've been doing it for, this is, I think, tournament number 56, 57. So it's been like every week for 5 years, basically. And so you didn't get to play today, but be here next Wednesday. And then tomorrow, I will be playing viewers. 3-minute. Oh, man. I backed up, so we're way behind in the game now. Tomorrow we will be playing. I'll be playing viewers and going over my tournament games, so I can learn from the games. So any of the games you see me play today, maybe you saw some good moves. We'll verify them tomorrow, okay, and learn what we could have done better. I got to play a 2300 today. That was really cool. But you can play me tomorrow, Akram. Okay. So just be here tomorrow. The stream starts at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's Texas time. The stream started an hour and 48 minutes ago. Same time, Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, Akram. Thank you for the for asking, though. Yeah, did anyone see is there anyone here from India? Did anyone see my newest chess short on YouTube? It is it's the one where I told the guy, he was 2100, and I told him, if you win, I'll wave your country's flag, because I have an Indian flag here. And I beat him. Yeah, he got the... Okay, guys, get your boards. And so I got to wave my flag. I have a lot of cool chess shorts on YouTube, guys. If you guys want to watch some chess shorts, go to Charlie Sardo Gaming. We got some videos there. I got a new one coming, by the way. New video, finally. Pilot Cougar Chess. Exactly 1300. Pilot Cougar Chess. I don't see him in chat. Who is Pilot Cougar Chess? I already lost one game. Let me look at the scores. Nurkane is 2F2. Falevo, yeah, probably not going to beat him. We're going to have fun to play Latvian. Isn't that funny? I just looked at the score. And I just looked at the score of the tournament to decide which opening I'm going to play. But actually, I bet that's a thing. Right? Hikaru does it. Oh, it's you, Hammer. Okay. Okay. We must defend our maneuvers. Okay, it's simple opening. He's gonna castle. I'm gonna win a piece. Lois! I just won a piece with the Latvian Gambit. Yeah. Forcing the development. You know, Queen was better, I think. Oh, could I have played Queen? Okay, I'm going to take the bishop. Takes with a pawn. Interesting. Get out of dodge, because dodge is a bad place to live. Okay, develop. While recapturing. The bishops feel okay. Developing. Woohoo! I saw the pawn be munched as Captain Crunch, Lois. It brings the queen, attacking the bishop and the pawn simultaneously. If I kick to hit the knight, he could just come back. then I save. Or if I come back, he comes to a good square with tempo. I think this is the move. Oh, no, but then he gets this pawn. So do I play bishop takes knight? I'm up a piece, right? I'm up a piece. What are you doing, Hammer? Hammer, no! Hammer, you play better than that. You just had a bad game, brother. You got caught in a trap. You're down a piece. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, it happens. Lois, how are you doing? Yeah, you play better than that. You had a bad game. This is not, it's not like a trap line. Like, I don't play into this, but I know this line. And in this exact position, this is the best move. When I take, you can take back with the pawn. Just lose a piece. And I think maybe even, yeah, like here, see, I kind of want to do this. No, but you have bishop e3. I still get the piece, but I block my bishop. So bishop e7 must be best in this position. Great. Let's check out. Usually you go to board one. We're going to look at our lowest board, guys, with the least amount of points. 0 of 3. These guys are playing with sharks. Ville Michael he played a very, very strong opening and a pretty good middle game too till he fell apart. And he's playing against people, a lot of people rated higher than him. He doesn't have any points yet, but he's playing and he should be. It's good. It's good to play better players, guys. If you're rated 650, this is a great tournament for you. Play against higher rated players. I'll send you a message. I keep forgetting. Okay. Health, man. Chess game. 1350 yesterday. Lois, are you serious? I didn't know that about you, Lois. I didn't realize you were that strong. How come you don't play in a tournament every week, Lois? Tournament can be if you're not feeling well, the tournament can be daunting because it's an hour and a half of thinking really hard. There is an old line, and it goes, thinking is the hardest work of all. And I'll tell you something. I've been in situations in jobs or different things where I'm not doing the physical labor. I'm having to do all the mental labor. And it can be as exhausting or more exhausting. You just wish, rather than having to run this business and do all these logistics and all this stuff and make all this stuff happen, if I could just go dig ditches all day and not have to do this, I would do it. So, thinking is a lot of work, guys. Thinking is a lot of work. Chess players can be very, very exhausted after a chess game if you're trying. And Lois is actually trying because Lois didn't get to 1350 by not trying. Lois, I'm so proud of you. That's freaking awesome. You've played the tournament before, haven't you, Lois? Derpy Chess subscribes on YouTube. We need followers on Twitch, man. We just got to get to 700. I'm thinking special stream for Twitch at 700 followers. I got to start celebrating everything, guys. Everything. Like things like 3,000 subs on YouTube coming. It's coming quick, guys. It was just at 2,700. Now we're like at 28 something, right? So yeah. We're going, guys. We're going all the way. We're going all the way to the freaking moon. And then we're going to slingshot around the back of it. Just like those guys did last week, or two weeks ago. Okay, one more second. Oh, one thing I want to tell you guys too. Check your history. If you care. I care because I'm a streamer and I care. But chess.com bans people cheating even in unrated games. The same, just like they do with rated games. They don't favor it. All the research I've been able to do, and then since I've started playing more unrated in the tournament and stuff, when I play viewers on Mondays and Thursdays, I've been seeing people get banned. Well, people loved cheating as a streamer. I think it's funny or something. So, when you are playing a rated game and someone cheats, you get a refund, right? You get a refund, and so you get a notification. Hey, you got these points back, right? When you play against an unrated player and they get banned, you don't get the notification. You gotta look at your list and look for the little cross out red slash sign thing, right? Yeah. But don't think that because it's an unrated tournament that you're not protected. You're protected as well as in a rated game on chess.com. And the dishonest cheater people don't think you can get away with it more in unrated, because you can't. Because they will ban you. We had some guy cheat and win the tournament a few weeks ago, and he got banned. Unrated. Yeah. 8 banned in your history. I stopped counting, but I have more than 8, Taper Mike, but I'll tell you, obviously, there's casual people that play chess that might play more games of chess a week than I do. You know, like, because I play a lot of 15-10, man. You know what I'm saying? I'll play chess for 3 hours and, play like 2 or 3 games sometimes. And if you're in the bullet, and you like to play bullet every night for an hour or two, it's a lot of game. Lois says, thank you. I was excited. Yes, I have played the tourney a few times over the years. I remember. I last played you until I mouse dropped my rook. There was no coming back from that. Oh, man. Bozo says, I have a banned CM in my game history. Wow. Which Mario strategy game is this? Lone Wolf, this is, I don't know, guys. Tell me a Mario strategy game. It's Super Mario Stratego. Was that too? Super Mario Go. Yeah, you play chess, Lone Wolf? Let's mow the lawn together. Sometimes taking great care of the lawn will make it easier to think. Dude, washing dishes, bro. Washing dishes. It's the therapy we all need. Plus, look. Watch. You can't see them too much, guys. But over there on the left in the sink, multiple dirty dishes, folks. Multiple dirty dishes. So that tells me I need the therapy. This knight is actually very well placed. Like, very well placed. The pawn can come forward. It doesn't get lost because the bishop can return. It can't get pinned is what I'm saying, right? So, how does the pawn... But he could sack the pawn. Bishop takes, knight takes, rook takes on the bishop. Bishop can hit the rook. Rook can hit the bishop again. Because this rook has a square. Bishop can come back. He could take it, hitting the bishop again. And then. So I'm not sure what to do here, man. He might do best just defending the pawn. But then the knight comes. And the knight finds a good square. Because that's a good square for the knight. The blockading square, guys. It's in the book. Is it cheating to hold a chess book during a tournament? Guys, there is literally a knight blockading picture. See all the little diagrams? Yeah. Dude. I should go over some of these games. There's a bunch of annotated games at the end. I read this whole book. And I mean, it was 30 years ago, 35 years ago, but I read the whole book. And the reason I can tell is because I've got things highlighted from the beginning of the book to the end of the book. Yeah. Did the Facebook stream die on tournament day? Bill Stevens, it did. Right at the beginning of the stream. Yeah. Yeah. Lone Wolf says, thanks, you're welcome. Nah, mostly adventure. Adventure like what? What's in, like, I play Elden Ring. Is that action adventure RPG? Adventure. Adventure. Atari Adventure? Do you remember Atari Adventure? The graphics were pretty good, dude. The sword literally was like an arrow. I think it was a yellow arrow. Just a little arrow. That was a sword. The dragons? Oh, boy. Look up Atari Adventure graphics. Look at those pictures. Look at the dragons. You're not going to believe the dragons. He got the pawn. Takes. He's on the pawn. Oh, he has back rank, mate. Just checkmate. Just, yeah. Magnarod. Willem, see, Willem does play very, very good chess up to a point. When it starts getting kind of deep into the middle game and stuff. I think he puts his pieces on good squares, but he was also pushing pawns and stuff and doing things that I thought were very, very high level over 600. That's why I'm like, this guy's not 600. But then he blunders up at the end, man. You're going to be a really good chess player, Michael Villa, guys, I don't know pronunciation. Let's check out Making Salmon, guys. He's one of us. He is world famous on Twitch. Radha says, is it late to join the tournament? It is, man. We are in round numeral 3. We're at the end of round 3. It's a 5-round tournament. We do this every week. For 57 weeks, we've been doing this. So we'll be here next week. Every Wednesday, once a week. It's tournament day. So hit the like, follow, sub, it'll be follow on your end. And get involved. We do monthly chess workshops for supporters on Facebook, subscribers on Twitch, and members on YouTube. And I highly recommend, especially if you have a YouTube, if you have Amazon Prime, link it to your Twitch. It's the easiest thing you'll ever do. It's nothing to do it. Then you get a free sub every month, and then you can sub and you can come to the workshops. The workshop is going to be, it's in about, I gotta look at the calendar. This weekend I have a gig. So it'll be next weekend. It'll probably end up being on the 16th, guys. In about 10 days, we're going to have another chess workshop. I do a private stream, a chess stream, and you tell me your name on chess.com. I pull up one of the games. We look at it. We look at very specific things. A lot of times we'll have higher rated players than me in the chat. Dave Joyce comes to a lot of them. And we'll tell you very specific things that your rules you're breaking. Rules you might already know, but you're still breaking them. You know what I mean? Rakeem, play well, my friend. Good luck. E4. C5. Indeed, my middle game is lacking in transition to endgames, but still having fun. Gotta analyze these tomorrow. Yeah, for sure, man. Yeah, I don't know if it's a time thing. I'm not sure what happened in our game because you were playing so strong and then you just gave the game back to me. You know what I mean? Workshops are wonderful. Yeah, the workshops are great. Lois, come to the workshop. I want to see one of your games. I want to see you as a 1300. I've played, I think, against this many times, and so it probably has always been Rakeem, or some of the games have been Rakeem. And I have ideas. I saw a video, and I'm like, oh, okay, I'll do that. Yeah, Elden, right. The Witcher 3, Wild Hunt, those kinds of games I play. Dude, I've never played The Witcher, and I don't know Wild Hunt. Oh, no, is it called The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt? Is it all one game? Yep, the bishop comes. We make Blunt the bishop, the Amigo's bishop. This knight can come either here or here. We have either knight f6 or knight e7. We have knight c6 on deck. We have a6 on deck. We're playing, guys, all we're doing here is playing chess. This is all we're doing. We're just playing chess. Knight c6 is probably more accurate. I'm thinking it might have been. Plays d4. Do we just go into a symmetrical position? Or do I keep... No, I think we do. Wait, if castles, does he have d5? He does, so I think I have to do this. I think I have to do it, folks. Okay, it's not bad. It's just not rad. It's not sad. It's just... But it's not glad. Yeah, because he wants to do stuff, guys. He wants to do stuff. Oh, no, my bishop covers. Yeah, just capture toward the center. Just capture toward the center. Don't give your opponent what he wants, guys. And you know what he wants. He wants to checkmate me. Rakim, be nice. Stop being so aggressive. Developing, guys. That's probably a good move. Pawn takes, knight takes, knight takes, pawn takes. He kind of leaves stuff. I could come here. Maybe he could do this. I could play a6 to keep stuff out. It would attack stuff. Bishop d7, not feeling it. Have to do this. You know what? I guarantee I know the Stockfish move now. I've just got... Hey, yo, what's up? Senor Dicholo. Okay, yeah. Now, I think... Do I do this now? No, I think we take. Just take. It's okay to let him trade this bishop off. I don't think it's the end of the world. I hope it's not. It feels like the end of the world, but it's probably not. Yeah, now if I take, he can push, but this clogs him up so much, but it destroys my bishop's life. I think I'm going to play this move. And start connecting the Amigos rooks. White squared bishop, you are the weakest link. You need to play chess. He needs to play chess like a good boy. Like a good boy. Make him wish he never put his king on that diagonally. If he wants to bring more pawns to the fire, man, you know what? I'm loving it. I'm loving the checkmate scenario available to me here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Sacked queen earlier. That was kind of fun. Back rank. Who was that? Was that in the tournament? Or was that the first game? That was in the tournament. Yeah. Hey, was up, got down. It's not how you get down. It's how you get up again. That's exactly right, Thomas Beckett. That's exactly right. That's exactly right. If you get back up one more time, then you got knocked down, then you can never be kept down. Yeah, I just did stupid math. Why are they sending me... Dude, guys, my car? I'm a man without a truck. I was trying to tell you this earlier. Make it Salmon, what's up? Dude, we looked at your game, brother. We looked at your game. Oh, wow. I forgot I was playing. My truck is in the shop. It is the weakest link. My truck. It's in the shop. They want to give me some like EVG valve or something. The queen comes, right? I think I have to do this. He's going to get a little bit of pressure, but not too much. This round, I was a little put down and just kind of made moves out of anger. If I'm being honest, I know I shouldn't because I'm not very good, but I'll get there. Yeah, now which rook? This rook. White is probably better, like slightly. I'm not loving the fact that he has a queen check. I would love it if he queen checked me right now because it doesn't do anything. I have to be careful he doesn't like figure out a way to attack this pawn and then queen check and then take it. You know what I'm saying? So I think I need to bring my rook, but I just need to look. And it's really, this is why in chess, like grandmasters, they'll just move the king rather than after every single move saying, if I allow the check, because you'll waste a bunch of time doing it, right? But I think it's more important to bring my rook and then I'll move the king out. I think that's the move. I mean, there could even be, if I ever play this move here, after takes, takes, knight takes, let's say bishop takes or something, he could do a queen check. Stepping off. Do you know what I mean? It's like something like that could happen. You don't want to check just to check. If you have a check, if there's a reason to make it, then do it. He's coming at me with the F5 maneuver. Opening up the Amigos board with a threat. If I take, I think we take this way. I cannot allow a fork. This is not allowed in chess. Like I said, this one here I don't like. So we're going to start here. This is what I was talking about him being better. And this rook isn't in the game and the check is still there. You know what I'm saying? So white is better. He might be winning. He created a weak pawn. He created a weak pawn. He did. My bishop is going to be very, very lively. And my knight is playing chess. I feel like I would almost rather have my rook on this file. But it's okay because the knight will protect. Okay. Now he can sack. But will it win? Will it win? It could. I don't know. The game of chess is very humbling. Goat Doc. So true. Hey. Oh, yeah. Got that. Brings a rook. Okay. He didn't sack. Did I want a pawn? I did. If I push... I think we bring this rook. But this, see, I can't even trade queen. I can't even offer. Ooh, this hits it. The problem is he could eventually play king over, king g1, and then have massive pressure on this square. The knight's gone. I could play f5 blocking, but if he played this, it wouldn't work. I have to get active, guys. I have to get active. The thing about bringing this rook, it controls squares that he's not going to be moving any pieces to, and it attacks a pawn that is already protected and will be protected forever. So bringing this rook, I don't think might be as good as bringing this rook or bringing the queen and massive centralizing it. I also could have ideas of this and this maybe. There's nothing here. It's either this move. Then you could play over threatening my pawn. This doesn't do anything. I think I need activity over this pawn, and the pawn is protected. So I think we... Wait, push? Queen takes. Knight fork. And he has a check. If I come back, I think I come back. I just can't allow the... I can't... Like there was just... I just started seeing tactics, and none of them work because of the check, the queen check. Attacking my bishop. I could come to this square. If he takes, I get a rook. It's a beautiful thing that he's worried about my pawn. Now, this file is starting to look like chess. I don't think we bring his knight. Oh, but now he wants to bring the knight. Now he wants to bring the knight and do something here. Takes, knight, queen. Check. If I come up, I'm attacking the knight, and he can't defend it. Well, he can't defend it on this diagonal. I'll be on that on the rook. He could bring the knight back. I could maybe get f6 if I need it, and have a more centralized queen. Takes. Wow. Yeah, he's just better, man. He's just clearly better, and the sad part is, he's good enough to know it. And none of those work. Oh, I guess from here I could come here. I think I'm still losing on the dark squares, man. Bring the rook. Takes. Knight comes, threatening, and then maybe rook up. I think this might have been the best move, guys. I don't know. I didn't have that much time to look at it. Not looking at chat. Because if you guys say something like, he's threatening this, and then I see it, and I'm like, oh, I didn't see that. Now I can't act against it because it'll be called, I'd be a big fat cheater. I'm shutting chat off. Shutting chat off, guys. We're not trying to be a big fat cheater, guys. Okay. He moved that a few times. You love to see it. Bring the other rook. I had to make a... Oh, he's kicking it now. And why is that bad? Oh, because of this square. So we take... Wow. It might be a good move, guys. I might be in trouble. When the knight moves, this square can fall. Can the knight go anywhere good? If he takes with the rook, see, so now I have to stop this, but then everything else happens. This is crushing, Rakim. You played a really good game, dude. Completely crushing. If I come, you could take with a rook. If I come, you could take with the bishop. I could come here. I think I have to do this. And I just lose. It's so bad. It's so bad. I got 44 seconds. Oh, it's 5-second increment, right? Oh my God, this is bad. I gotta remember. Oh, look at my knight. Look at my unprotected freaking knight. Takes with the rook. Yeah, with the threat and the same threat. And there, yeah, he could take it with the rook. I felt like... No, I have this, right? I saw this, guys. I saw this. The bishop is pinned. The bishop is pinned. Okay, let's get some massive centralization. And let's have the best piece on the board for the first time in the whole game. Yeah, that's a good move, man. That's a really good move. Wow. Here. The knight covers a beautiful square. Okay, good, good, good. I'm only up a knight. He kind of has to take it. The sad thing is, and then I think my king is looking pretty good. Okay, he goes there. He takes, threatening nothing. Taking this. No reason. Oh, he can get my pawn. He's going to have passers, guys. That would suck. Huh. Did I blunder? Did I blunder Dave Joyce? Dude, you like that pin, Dave Joyce? That was so cheesy. I saw it. I saw it. Is he listening, guys? I saw it and I set it up and and I made it like I was losing, right? Yeah, good game, dude. And then it's like, it sounds like he's listening because I'm like, oh, I dropped the pawn, and he takes it and he blunders his queen, or he blundered the exchange. Rakeem, be careful that your phone is off, okay? Because even though you're not a cheater, you could get ideas. You could get ideas. Subliminal. Just turn your volume down when you play me, guys. Good game, Rakeem. Rakeem, you were crushing me. Rakeem, you were crushing me. This is a game for you to analyze. Something big was missed. Oh, for sure. I'm looking at them all tomorrow, Bozo Chess. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, man, I think you fell for it. Sound like you did, huh? What do you think, Bozo? Do you think you fell for it? Dude, look at the pin, guys. I'm not saying, like, this move is winning. But if he takes with the bishop, I can take with the queen. And the rook is pinned. And if he takes with the rook, I can take with the queen. And the bishop's pinned. Look at that position. That's crazy. Does that work like that all the time? This is still losing. He just, anything. Attack the knight. Pull it back a square. But see, this, you can't, and you know what it all came down to? A lot of it was based on him playing. When I put my bishop here, what did I say? I'm going to make him sorry if he plays g4. And it happened. Yeah. Knight h6 doesn't work. I didn't even see it. I didn't see knight h6. Knight h6, probably, I guarantee it's still losing, and we'll see tomorrow. We got, oh, this is Benjamin versus Micah Villa Michael. Benjamin has a pretty good position with some space, an advanced knight, and a good square. But this is a passed pawn. Now, he can make his own. But at what cost? There is a check. But it doesn't do anything. This is a great knight. Like in another universe. Because all the pieces, everything's happening over here. You know what I mean? He's like influencing parts of the board, even though it's yeah, like in the middle game with the queens and the rooks on, this would be like an insane knight. It'd be worth a rook. He plays the check. It doesn't do anything. Taking and then coming back here with the threat is probably his best bet. And then you try and shove this pawn. And then you sack your rook for this at the last minute. Yeah, it goes like this. Knight. He probably pushes. Knight. He pushes again. You come here. He comes here. You have to sack so he doesn't get a queen. You take this pawn, check. You come here. No. Then you try and get the pawn to the square. And then maybe bring the king. It's like, and then the other pawn just wins. It's just too much. He has two passed pawns. Yeah. Yeah. But Villa Michael is a very strong opening and middle game player. But toward the end of the middle game and the end game, he gets into a little bit of trouble. So you might want to keep the pressure on him. This is a threat. And he might answer it. He might not be a grandmaster. But, okay. He prematurely plays it. Okay, now he stepped out of the threat. You need to shove your pawn, man. And this makes room to shove it. And it attacks a pawn. Oh, wrong way. You want to attack the pawn. Okay, he goes there. You might have to just take. I don't know, though. Rook takes, knight takes, shove, 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 queen, shove. And it just doesn't... It doesn't get the bull off the ice. You might have to do this and then start shoving. But the knight, I think, is in the wrong square. Yeah, because now the queen comes, right? No matter what. He has no way to get back. Ben, you played a good game, dude. That was a good game against the 600 versus 653. First point goes to Villa Michael, the guy that freaking outplayed me in the opening and the middle game, I believe, in our game. At rated 650. Zahanchi method. The Zanchi method. 2264? What cut from Brazil? Dude, play well, my friend. I'm shutting chat off. I love you guys, chat, but guess what? I'm playing a 2264 chess.com rated person. We'll see what he knows, guys. I almost guarantee, like, this would be a good bet. This would be a good bet. Plays e6. To... Wait. Yeah, knight c3. To play, okay, the queen comes. I can't play this move. I can't come here. And I'm going to. Now, bishop d3. He's not here yet. If I play f3, what is this move? Queen d3, overworking. It's probably knight b5. I have knight b5. It's always the Sicilian move I don't play when I'm supposed to. It could be funny. It could be this knight. But it's probably this one. Okay, plays queen back. Now he's going to get this move in, and I don't have my bishop on g5. E5 doesn't play. I'm telling you, it seemed weird because he could get a check, but I could still bring the bishop back. I think the other night was better because I already am feeling... Like I said, I can't push. So I should bring a piece. I'm going to play a4. A4 doesn't allow A3, though. F3, like I said, it feels wrong. Bishop D3 feels wrong. I mean, be a man. Play Bishop C4 at least, right? I don't have any... This is dumb. Queen can't attack anything. I'm spending so much time. This is not good. Just move. I spent so much time in that move. And just come back. I got this. And then I'll get my bishop move. And I'm going to play this. Bishop e2, castles. F4, bishop f3, that stuff. What do you do? He's just developing, guys. Why is he just developing? He's playing like strong like a bull. Now he's playing fast. He knows I gotta... He knows, guys. Guys, remember, it was in this pawn structure that I became the, let's see what it says again, that I became the 1989 Pasadena Chess Club Championship Class B champion. Yeah, it's real. It's true, guys. I guess he wasn't like 2100. He was like 2050 or something. That would be like, I don't know what that would be on chess.com, but it would be pretty good. He moved. What'd he do? Is he trying to beat me on the clock? What, he's just developing pieces like... Oh, my God. Now, remember what I said last game? I'm going to play bishop b7, and I'm going to make him regret pushing g4. Yeah, I'm not going to play g4. I'm not going to play g4. I'm going to play f4. Yeah, a little different. And there are ideas. Hey, grabbing it. Why? Guys, this is not an excuse to lose. This is not an excuse to lose. When you gotta go, you gotta go. Right? I've seen such structures, so is he. That is probably the Grandmaster move, not to take the pawn. I think. And he's supposed to take. I think he's supposed to take. I still don't have chat. Yeah. Well, that actually, I'm not as far behind. Okay. I can take, but then he can pin. Oh, I can't take. Knight d5, knight takes. Pawn takes. And his bishop comes to this square. I feel like my queen wants to... Now I want to play queen d3. I want to play here and checkmate him. But if I come here, he'll like move his bishop back. And then this pawn is weak. So queen d3, is it the move? Or is knight d5? We're gonna move. Bishop f8, knight takes. Knight takes, pawn takes, of course. Okay. Bishop, and then I looked at this and I decided on c. Well, yeah, c3. If there is one open file, what did Daniel Naroditsky teach us? You must control or contest it. I have to bring a rook here, guys. It's the maneuver. I'm just saying. You know, it'd be horrible. Well, there could be something horrible. It might not be the end of the world. Probably would be the end of the world. This is a bad bishop because my pawn's blocking it. But it has scope for the future. He's using his brain, guys. He's 2200. It's not fair. All of a sudden he stops moving. Why couldn't he stop moving when I went to the restroom, guys? Can I get an answer? I'm looking for chat that's not there because I turned chat off. Because I'm trying to give this guy a good game. I had to go. I'm not worried about the time. Oh, he's probably giving me the time back. Sanchi method, if you are, you know what? I'll take it, but don't. I want you to use all this time. I want you to play a 2200 move. I want you to crush me. I don't think I'm losing here. Not like I was against Rakim. This is there's a lot of play in this position still. I don't think it's is the roll. Queen, I think it wasn't a bad move because if he plays, the queen's protecting already. And then we just come. Takes. He could try and gang up on this pawn. He really could. And very well, maybe even get it. But hopefully we can get some counterplay. He comes queen. Looking at my bishop. Threatening not too much. I'm low on time, so I have to move. So just move. I could have played takes. Oh, then he just brings the rook. Yeah, he just brings the rook. So, okay, he defends it now. Now I can take. I think I can do it. I think I can play rook takes, rook over. Oh no, rook takes, bishop takes, rook over. But then he just doesn't give me the back rank mate. And then. What about bishop back? Does it do anything? Takes. Yeah, this would be threatening mate. G6. I can take the pawn now. I think I just saw something for him. I don't want to say what it is. He's a very good chess player. He doesn't need my ideas, but I think I just saw something for him. What do you think, Dave Joyce? Queen b3 could be a big threats. Just take the pawn. You can just win the pawn. That kind of sucks. I was looking at g5, but why can't I just take the pawn? I can't come here because of the mate. I have a check. King comes up. It does nothing. Take a pawn. Leave a penny. Take a penny, guys. Leave a penny. Take a penny. Why don't you guys listen to me? So he just weakened his king. Takes. Takes, queen takes. I don't think I care about this. I'm thinking it's just leave a penny, take a penny, guys. Okay, now I can't let him take and mess my pawns up. Okay. We each have files. I think I come here. I think I go here, maybe? It doesn't do anything. think I need Luft, though. I think I need balloons, guys. 99 of them. Oh, he's on my bishop. Okay, so plot thickens. This doesn't seem like where I want to be. I almost feel like I want to be over here. I can attack his bishop again. Okay. I have to weaken my king. I have to weaken my king. I mean, my queen can't leave the back rank, guys. I guess maybe my bishop could have blocked it if it wanted to. That might have been safer. Brings the queen. Check does nothing. Has come up. There's no bishop check. My bishop is gonna reroute. The bishop comes first, threatening the check. Now he's threatening checkmate. So where do I go? I do this like we talked about. He could play bishop c3. Pawn takes. Queen takes. Bishop c3. Pawn takes, queen takes. Could possibly be a draw with the weak kings. I think we're gonna do it. We're gonna Hikaru this game right now, guys. Check. I think I'm full Hikaru in this game, trading into a worse end game to not lose. I didn't know what to do. The bishop maybe shouldn't have come here. The bishop should have stayed here and came back. Check. Bishop back. And his bishop is under attack. Oh, he's threatening this. Oh, I didn't see it. Okay, no, I did see it. I did see it. Stop the checkmate. I could have played g4, but ain't nobody got time for that. Now we can start doing stuff like this. There's just one bad thing about this endgame. Pinning. He could pin. He could pin. I didn't see the pin. And then bishop. What do you think, Dave Joyce? Here, he starts shoving pawns. His bishop's better than mine. His king's safer than mine. Right? This must be a reasonable idea. I guess I had this move. No, that would lose. That would lose. Yeah, no, I'm looking. I want to play this so bad, but I'm like queen check. No, it's not check though. Is he threatening anything? Now he trades. Got to get these things off the dark squares ASAP, folks. This is a great move because it stops the pawn. If he shoves one of these pawns, I just come. I just kick drum it all the way to the square. I'm fine. This should be a draw. I think I have to bring my king. Right? Okay, after this is the end game I need to figure out. Takes, and then he starts coming. I can actually come with check and get this. I'll be up a pawn. So do we start liquidating now? No, I think I have to do this now. And then I think I push. Do I push this one? Takes. Push this one, takes. Is it better to have it further away from him? It's the same. No, yeah, this advanced one would be... I had to do it, guys. I had to do it. Right? Now, there's... Oh, yeah. This way is fine. I think. I don't know. I think it's the same. Oh, but... Now, I did have the check and get this, but I think it might lose. I need to push the pawns and trade them off, even if I lose a pawn, and then just... Then it's a draw. Okay. My king, he can't make my king move. I think I made a draw, guys. I think I made a draw. Okay. Do we do it with check? Oh no! Why was I thinking I was okay? I guarantee it's a draw. but I... Dude, you got me. You got me. What am I supposed to do here? I can't... So I'm losing here. Oh, I have to keep the bishop on, I guess. But then he's just going to attack the next pawn. Yeah, I resign. Good game, dude. Wow. Let me come back to chat. Did I have it, guys? I think it was a draw, right? I think pushing the pawns was dumb. Until I had to. Oh, my God. Bozo Chess first place. Nurkana second place. And Zanchi Method wins last round to cinch third place. Oh, my God. You made me sweat for that win. That was you? Oh, I'm like following somebody or something. Yeah, dude. Apophenia. That was a good game, dude. Was it a draw? I usually look at the games tomorrow. Yeah, so it'd be nice to make quicker decisions. Neven. Yeah. What, do you think I moved too slow, Neven? I might. No. You can still maybe draw, just don't let him out. Give the review, maybe. Yeah, I'm going to look at it tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to look at it tomorrow because that's what I do tomorrow. On Thursdays, I play 3-minute unrated against all you guys. And And then I also, in between doing that, I look at my tournament games from today. Yeah. Dude, this was a great tournament, man. Yeah, 2300, 1998, 2200, 1700, bunch of 1500s, a 2000, 1739. Yeah, guys. But guys, if you're lower rated, see, I'm 1700 and I didn't even come in top 3. You have no idea the lessons I got today. But the difference is, well, I say the difference, but I need to look at the games, and I'm going to look at them tomorrow. I'm going to go over the games, figure out what I could do better. I'm going to look at the opening and like maybe memorize a move or two more than I played. Why didn't I play this move? I'm going to look at the middle game, boneheaded moves I made. I'm going to find them, and then I'm going to learn in the end game. I'm going to learn in the end game. Yeah, wow. Making Salmon said, I'm so proud of that win. Good game, Ben. I was losing the whole game. Can't believe I won it. Oh, Making Salmon. Yeah, Ben's a good player, man. I don't think he's been playing a lot, but he just came back. Ben is a real-life friend of mine. I freaking love that guy. Even the pawn game is a draw. You push my king into the corner and stalemate me. No, I don't think I had that. My king was too far away. We'll look at it tomorrow. I considered that, but it's like, no, if I trade bishops and then take your passer that my king is next to, I can't get in front of that pawn. And I know I can't get in front of it. But you're saying I couldn't get in front of it. You're saying I could trap your king. And that's where I think I was way too far away, dude. I think I was too far away. Maybe not. Maybe not. Really, Dave Joyce. So I resigned prematurely. Dave Joyce, official results from the official tournament director, Dave Joyce, says congratulations to Bozo Chess, or Bozo Hess, Bozo Chess, Nurkana, and Zanchi Method on first, second, and third in this week's tournament. Well played, everyone else. Yeah. You had time, Engine agrees. Oh my God. Wow. You know what? I think I did prematurely resign. You know why? Because it was one of those things where I felt like I was going to lose. And remember what I said? It's so funny. I said, I'm going to Hikaru this. I'm going to trade down to a worse endgame that I think I can draw. Remember I said that? And what did I do? I traded down to a worse endgame I think I could draw. I got in a drawn position, and then something changed that I didn't see, and I gave up. Who did Hikaru do that? Hikaru walked away from a game where he thought, like, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if I win this game. It doesn't matter. I'm losing on time, or it's going to be a draw. It doesn't matter. And he walked away, and he lost. Or something. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? It was, I think it was, God, it was within the last year. And then they're like, no, if he would have done this, then it's like he resigned prematurely is what he did, and walked away from the board. Do you guys remember this? That's what I did. I gave up, guys, because I still had like 20 or 30 seconds. I could have looked a little bit and said like. But I just thought, I looked at the theme. I know the idea, get my king in front or lock your king in. I saw that, but I'm like, I'm too far away. But I didn't count, and I didn't try. You know what I'm saying? I should have definitely taken the pawn and started running my king to the corner. What's the worst thing that can happen? I get 5 seconds every move, and I find out I lose. Yeah, so that was a mistake. Thanks, Charlie. Was a pleasure, and pointed out things I need to improve on. Absolutely. We work together, man. We work together. Dude. Apophenia, thank you so much, dude. Thank you for the game, man. Everybody, dude. Bozo Chess, I got to play some really good players today. I got to play some people that are at the beginning of their journey. We all learned something. We're all getting better at chess with the best community in the world. Hit the like button, follow button, subscribe button. Twitch gets a bonus game. Guys, I have to give Twitch a bonus game because we raid on Twitch. There's no raids on YouTube. So YouTube, if you want to see the bonus game, start heading over to Charlie Starter Gaming on Twitch. And I'm going to start getting that game going so we can do a raid, because we raid people. It's a way of helping the stream. Just hang out for a minute, raid, go check the guy out if you like him, hit the like button, hit the follow button. If you don't. Let me shut YouTube down. YouTube, I love you. Hit sub on the way out, YouTube. This is YouTube Horizontal is gone.